Ever wondered how to create a stylish and fashionable hairstyle for a fashion show? Well, you're in for a treat. This video will unravel expert tips on crafting the perfect coiffure for the runway. It's not just about looking good, it's about creating harmony between your hair and your outfit, aligning perfectly with the theme of the show. So whether it's a sleek bun, a dramatic updo, or loose waves, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to discover the secrets of fashion show hairstyling. Creating a fashion show hairstyle can seem daunting, but with the right steps, it becomes a breeze. Let's break this down into manageable segments, shall we? First and foremost, understanding the theme and style of the fashion show is crucial. Is it edgy and modern or classic and vintage? The mood of the event will greatly influence the hairstyle you choose. Hair is the crown that complements the outfit. It completes the look and adds that finishing stroke of glamour. Next comes the selection of the right hairstyle. This is where you can let your creativity run wild. But remember, the hairstyle should not only complement the outfit, but also the model's facial features. It's all about creating a harmonious ensemble that leaves a lasting impression. Now let's talk tools and products. A high-quality hairdryer, straighteners or curling tongs, and a variety of brushes are your best friends. Hair products like volumizing mousses, hairsprays, and serums can help achieve the desired look. But remember, less is more. Overdoing it can make the hair look heavy and unnatural. Finally, securing the hairstyle is key. This is where our little tricks come into play. Use bobby pins that match the hair color and remember to cross them for extra hold. A light spritz of hairspray can help keep everything in place throughout the show. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Now that you've learned the steps to create a fashion show hairstyle, let's recap. We kicked off our journey by emphasizing the importance of understanding the theme and style of the fashion show. Remember, a hairstyle can make or break a look, and the theme gives you direction on what style to choose. Next, we delved into the art of choosing the right hairstyle. It's not just about what's trendy, but also about what complements the outfit and the model's features. The right hairstyle can enhance the overall aesthetic and make the outfit stand out on the runway. Lastly, we discussed the significance of using the correct hairstyling tools and products. Quality tools coupled with suitable products can help you achieve the desired style while protecting the hair's health and shine. With these expert tips, you're now ready to create a stylish and fashionable hairstyle for your next fashion show. Happy styling!